The water has never been tastier and more refreshing with fruits and vegetables added to it. Detox water, known as spa water, is a really fruity, refreshing mix both during the summer and all year round. There are various recipes on which this water can be made, and each of them in its combination has a separate antioxidant effect. What's more and bigger than the water itself? We are all aware of the fact that high water intake is a necessity, and here's why. Water actually washes the body of harmful substances in it, lowers the body temperature, brings the necessary minerals and trace elements necessary for normal functioning that later reach the blood, prevents the formation of any stones in the body, hydrates and rejuvenates the skin, helps to lose weight and create cellulite, etc. Quite simply, our entire functioning is not proper without ingesting the required amount of water. So, even if you are not thirsty, never refuse at least a glass of water, because a glass or two more than regular intake means a lot to our body. In this video, we present you citrus cucumber detox water. This detox water cleans the liver and digestive tract. Lemon and oranges with vitamin C naturally improve metabolism. They break down fat and clean toxins. Peppermint, as one of the ingredients, also helps digestion and breaks down fats by cooling the body. Cucumber helps reduce bloating, and together with mint helps to cool down naturally. For citrus cucumber detox water you need 1 chopped orange, half a chopped lemon, half a chopped cucumber, spoonful of chopped ginger, 2 tablespoons of fresh mint. This water has the best effect when drink on an empty stomach in the morning when kept at room temperature. This helps stimulate the body to wash away all toxic substances. Be careful with consuming the drinks if you have a sensitive stomach. Cheers!